Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I am out at the car wash and my I'm a little bit offish, but I'm better now than I was earlier today. So yeah, I'm at the car wash. There's like 4 or 5 cars ahead of me, and I brought my book to read because I have not been reading as much as I would like to read. And I brought my water and a Red Bull, and then we're just gonna chill. So yeah, that's that for now. Chat just now. I'm trying to hold y'all so that you can hear my voice over the hose or the water. I am next in line, so I'm up next. It took us about, oh, I don't have my watch. I think I've been waiting here for like 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, if not a bit more, but that's fine. So I'm up next, and then I'm up next. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, my car definitely needs a wash. I need to throw out all the stuff that's in here, some receipts and stuff, and then yeah, so I'll catch you all just now. Out of the washing bay, and I'm sitting right there. I might move that side, waiting for my car to be dried, and then I'm gonna go to Pedro's. But let me move away from all the sound. Okay, I moved away from the sound a bit. I was saying that my car is in the drying bay. We're just waiting for that, and then I need to go to Pedro's, just in case y'all didn't hear me. But for now I'm going to read a bit, because I didn't read while I was waiting in the car. So I'll read a bit, and then we'll catch up a bit later. Bye! Done at the car wash, and I am on my way to pick up the food, and then I'm going home, and I'm doing much better than earlier, I must say. Let me just straighten you guys up a bit. So let me get to my destination, and then I will chat to you all just now. Okay, bye. I am finally back home and waiting to have supper, and then I don't know. chat to you all in a little bit later. Bye. Good morning. I am getting ready to go out for lunch with one of my friends, and yeah, before I do that, before I leave the house, I just need to tidy up quickly. But I am going to put some of this cleanser on my face, like a little moisture mask, while I'm going up and down. And I know it's a bit rough for a mask, but I just wanna put it on my face while I'm busy inside. And then I want to mold my hair down because I still haven't gotten an appointment to do my hair. Yeah. So see how long it is. But we move. So I'm gonna mold down my hair, tie it down, and then sort out some stuff inside and then get ready to go. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. The sun is shining. It doesn't feel too cold. But yeah, we're going to the waterfront. So there, sometimes it's a bit warmer, sometimes it's a bit cooler than where I am. So it's just like luck of the draw. I don't know what the temperature is like, but anyway. So let me get, hold on. Okay, so I wet my hair a bit. It's just damp because I don't want it to take too long to get dry. And then you guys have seen this foam wrap mousse. This one is like, this one doesn't make my scalp like my scalp doesn't get flaky, or like I don't have dandruff. The other one that I definitely get dandruff. So you guys will just watch me do this quickly, and then I'm gonna jump in the shower. I'm gonna jump in the shower and then go sort out inside and then get them.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present.
Okay, I am done with the mold. I don't know how it's gonna come out. I don't know. We're going to hope and pray for the best.
And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. spent your time with me. You're speaking my.
So I'm finally on my way to pick up my friend, and then we're gonna make our way to the waterfront. So yeah. Okay, I'm waiting for her to waiting for her to come out, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing a little bit later on. And I don't like the fact that I'm running late, but we should still be fine for our reservation at 12:30. Yeah, the intention was not to be late. Okay, let me shake off this. Let me shake it off, because today is not about me. Today is not about anything about me. Today is about her. So I will catch you all a little bit later on, probably when we get to the waterfront. Okay, ciao.
When no one else is around, I thought that you would need some help from me, but mama, you ain't even helping yourself. But you treat me like I need God to carry.
I said it just so seriously.
I came back to assure you that you're important. Don't ignore this. Flames I was poking when I noticed and unspoken. Now I ain't speaking. Go this weekend. Had to grind, had to say.